Welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. My name is Naima Bongeset. Today I want to teach you now how to make queen's cake. Cake, you know, see we dey enjoy cake well, and you will carry other ingredients add to flour. The thing will give you the cake. This cake where we dey talk, we get different methods where we want use do the cake. Today we won't use creaming method, we get folding method, and we get rub-in method. The recipe we won't use today, now we get sugar here. This sugar, if you add them to the cake, it will make the cake sweet. This one na butter. If you put the butter for the egg, for the cake, it will help rise the cake. And you know, say this butter na very good source of fat and oil. This one na flour, and specifically na wheat flour. You put them for the cake. And the chief recipe, this one na milk. Milk na very good source of protein. You put them for the cake, it go add value to the cake. This one na egg. This one also na give us protein. It go also add value to the cake. This one na flavor, we call them vanilla essence. You put them for the cake, it go give you fine and sweet flavor. This one na baking cups. You carry this one, put inside the pan. We won't use bake the cake so that the cake no go burnt. This one na baking powder. We call them raising agent. If you add them to your cake, it go rise the cake. The measuring equipment we won't use today na cup. We go use cup. This is measuring cup. We go use spoon, tablespoon, and we go use teaspoon. Now, since I tell you, say we won't use creaming method, the creaming method be say you go carry the butter and sugar, put inside bowl, mix some, cream them well till the thing soft. Now we want start. My butter here now 500 grams. Then sugar. I've been telling you, I say I won't use creaming method. I go measure my sugar, half cup. I've been telling you, I say I won't use creaming method for this cake. What I won't do. So I don't put my butter and sugar inside this bowl. I won't cream them now. I won't use electric mixer. As you won't do the thing for home, if you don't get electric mixer, you fit use spatula. This one na Gary turner. Carry and cream the butter and sugar. No tell me say you no get electric mixer. So as I don't put my sugar and my butter inside the bowl, I don't put my mixer. As I do am, you fit use spatula, Gary turner. The thing go turn them like this. I go cream them like this until the thing is soft. This one way there inside my bowl now egg, and the number of egg we I use for this cake now 6 egg for the 500 grams of butter. Now I won't whisk my egg. I go whisk my egg until the egg foam before I carry and add with my butter. Don't forget say that I cream my butter, and since I they use that electric mixer, I feel pluck them. This one na flour. I've been showing that before. I want to sieve my flour Now put my baking powder. They've not failed to subscribe at SabiMakeAm YouTube channel so that you go watch more videos. See my butter here. I don't finish creaming my butter. Now I go add my egg. Add my flour. Okay. This flour you won't add that. You know, go pour all the flour at the same time. You go pour them bit by bit. You raise them up like this, make it the enter. So now milk. Milk. I don't add my milk, so continue to cream am. This one is my vanilla essence. I'll put 3 cups. I don't finish my batter now. This one are the pans where I want to use bake the cake. This one they call them baking cups. Carry and place them inside here so that your cake no go burnt. Then heat them like that, make the thing balance. Okay, now I don't finish. Don't pack my batter, put inside the pan. Now I want carry and go put for oven. Thank you for watching our video. Our queen's cake now don't dey ready.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.